Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be transforming from this into this. I will be showing you the full face process and also how I created this eye look using lipstick as a base. So keep on watching. First we're gonna do skincare, and I'm starting with the Nalvera Naturcosmetic Mattifying Balancing Cream and apply it as one does to the face, just a full face, and I'm just rubbing this in until it's soaked in the skin. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Matte Primer, applying it foremost on the nose and a little bit on the forehead. Then I'm working it into where I have bigger pores. I feel like this really helps. Then I'm going in with the Kiko Milano Sparkling Holiday Liquid Highlighter on the high points of my face where I want some extra glow, and working that in with a damp beauty blender. Then it's time for the foundation, and this one is by Catrice Cosmetics and it's called the True Skin Foundation, taking about 2/3 of the lightest shade, the 010 shade, and 1/3 of the 020 shade. Looking back at it, I should have used like equal parts, but here we are, and I didn't feel like darkening it up because I'm going in with some darker concealer as a bronzer later anyway, so no worries. Just working that in and also working it into the neck so we don't have that line going on. First I'm gonna put some Crazy Rumors Hibiscus Lip Balm in the color Prune on my lips to make me look less dead, and it just nourishes so well as well. Then going in with RMS Powder Perfecting Powder, just placing that where I easily crease and just all over the face, dusting this very lightly all over. Then I'm going in with the Color Illusion Official Conceal and Correct in the shade 07, and I'm going to use this as a very natural bronzer. This works well into the skin even when there is a little bit of powder on it because it's just so smooth. It disperses so well and smooths out so well. Also going to handle those cheeks, jawline and the forehead. Just placing some warmer bronzy colors on the outside of my face and also on my nose because I'm gonna contour that later with the Conceal and Correct in 03. First I'm going to do the sides of my nose. So this is what they call reverse contouring. Just placing some lightness around where I want the darkness to stand out basically. I'm going back in later, but now I'm going to use a liquid blush in 04. As you can tell, this is like an orangey shade and it blends in so nicely. It was the first time trying this for this look and I really liked it. Also placed a little bit on my forehead and my nose to just give more like a lively effect. Here I'm using the concealer, as I said, on my nose as well in the middle, and just using a very tiny blush to blend it out. Then I'm going to use the Lavera Naturcosmetic Transparent Loose Powder to carve out some contour on my jawline, cheeks, nose, and around the mouth, and also in the middle of the nose and where I got my frown lines. Also going over the brows and then dusting that off immediately with a soft fluffy brush. Now it's time for the brows, and I'm going to use the brow pencils by Color Illusion Official. First I'm going to spoolie through them, just to make sure that they're upright, or as upright as possible. And I'm taking the brow pencil in 06, which is the lightest shade that I have from them, a light brown. And I'm liking to do my brows a little bit lighter these days. I just feel like it gives a softer look to the face, and I'm filling that in as so. Then I'm going in with 04, which is 2 shades darker. This is like a beautiful darker brown, which I really like and fits my hair really well. And I'm placing that foremost on the bottom part and the tails. Then with the Urban Decay Cosmetics Brow Blade in Dark Drapes, I'm drawing on some extra hair so my brows look more fluffy. This works so perfectly for this. I love this product so much. With the Conceal and Correct in 03, I'm going to clean up those brows, and I'm focusing that underneath the brows because I really want that area to be very clean looking, and this just helps give a more lifted look to your brow as well. Then with the liquid lipstick in 01 by Color Illusion Official, which is a beautiful chocolate brown, I'm gonna take that on a brush from their Luxury Detail brush set, and I'm going to carve out the shape that I want. So first, let me show you. I make that very tiny line for the shape I want. just above the crease and going up at the end, and then I'm filling everything in and working towards a point, and I'm just perfecting that. It's just like a process of perfecting and carving it out. Then with the eyeshadow palette Arini, I'm taking a matte shade and just pressing that in all over to seal it in. And you don't need to be too perfect with it, because now we're going in with the Catrice Cosmetics Take It All Off Micellar Oil in Water, cleaning that up, and also taking the Conceal and Correct in 03 again to clean up the sides. Taking that same matte shade, I'm going underneath the eyes just for some extra dimension, and taking this beautiful shimmer on my fingers and placing it all over the eyeshadow shape. Then I'm taking this white icy shimmer and placing that in the inner corner. Look how beautifully it shows up. I also place it on a brow bone. I'm perfecting the shape a little bit more with the lipstick, and then I'm going to do my lip liner with the same shade. Then with the liquid lipstick from Lip Kit 3 from Color Illusion Official, I'm filling this in and I'm making an ombre. And this worked out so well. I think it's really truly very pretty. Then it's time for the jelly highlighter in 01, and this one is really nice and icy, and it fits so perfectly with the other shimmer from the Arini palette. I'm just dabbing that all over and mostly concentrating it in the middle. Then with my Catrice mascara and the mascara body from Color Illusion Official, I'm doing my lashes. And taking the false lashes in 04 by Color Illusion as well. These are so pretty. Then I'm going to take the Playful Highlighter palette, and I'm taking this really nice and icy shade as a highlighter, and I'm going over the brow bone again to reinforce that iciness, as well as going on the middle of my nose. Then I'm taking the SS Cosmetics Long Lasting Eye Pencil for an even more icy look. This is a very nice silver. And yeah, here you have the finished look. It looked really badass, and to be honest, when I would be wearing this outside, I don't know if I would pair it with the dark lip liner like this, because it's very fierce. But if you're into that look, then yeah, totally go for it. Really loved how it fit together. Let me know what you think of this look, and would you wear it? Would you want to try lipstick as your eyeshadow base, and if so, in which color? Either way, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you all on the flip side. Bye!